What is a test bench in Verilog? A test bench is a special Verilog code written only to test and verify your design. It is not part of the actual hardware. It is used only for simulation. Why do we need a test bench? You can physically test an electronic circuit on a breadboard, but RTL design is not a physical object. It is just code describing hardware, so you cannot test it physically. That's why we write another code called a test bench. The test bench verifies whether the RTL design behaves correctly. What does a test bench do? A test bench generates input signals, applies those inputs to the RTL module, observes the outputs, compares actual outputs with expected outputs. If outputs match, design is correct. If even one output is wrong, there is a bug in the RTL. Then the RTL designer must debug the issue, fix the code, and run simulation again. This cycle continues until everything works correctly. Simple explanation. Design module equals machine. Test bench equals person operating the machine and checking results. The test bench presses buttons, inputs, and checks whether the machine responds correctly, outputs. Important point. Test bench is used only in simulation, not synthesizable, never converted into hardware. Only the RTL module is synthesized. One-line definition. A test bench is a simulation-only Verilog or SystemVerilog code used to apply inputs and verify the correctness of an RTL design. Without a test bench, you are writing hardware blindly. Test bench is how we prove the design works before fabrication.